today we're doing something fun to close out the year. So this video was actually requested by one of you beauties. And honestly, the timing could be better because 2026 is about to look very different. Like new systems, a new structure, new kits. And this is the makeup I've carried with me all year. Now, was it used all year? Maybe once back in October, but that still counts. So my kit is intentionally minimal. So these are my go-tos, my everyday bridal staples, the products that showed up for me again and again. You know, the ones I actually reach for and trust. So let's get into the kit. So this is the Vanity Collection makeup kit. So we're going to go ahead and open this first compartment. So as you can see, there's not much in this first compartment. I just have my disposables as well as my ghost palettes, and it doesn't really have a thing to hold up. So these are my ghost palettes that I like to press into my powders. And then up here we have a fan. I have a fan, a mirror, and then right here in this compartment is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so let's go ahead into the main compartment. In here I carry my lipsticks. Like this is you could take this flap out. And just normally I just carry all my lip products on this one. Also right here I have two pins. I have a color wheel as well as like the sanitation conversation pin. But I don't like to swatch my clients' makeup, so I'll just show you a few of the colors that I have, and then I'll also pop them up on screen. So I used to have more of these Sephora, but these are the ones I carry right now. These are the cream lip stains. Really nice, very comfortable to wear on the lips, and they have so many beautiful colors. For lipsticks, I have 3 of the Charlotte Tilbury. I have 2 of the Makeup by Mario. And I like to just like shave off a piece and put it on a palette. And then I have 3 MAC Cosmetic bullets. And then I also carry the TATCHA Kissu lip scrub, great for exfoliating the lips. And then lastly, I like to carry 2 lip glosses from Sephora. Over here I have my glows. I like to carry the Art Glow Lust in 4 different shades, and again I'll pop them up on the screen for you. For concealer, I like to use the Hourglass. For foundation, I only carry HD Skin. I have it in the Hydro Glow as well as just the original HD Skin. I'm going to carry all the minis. So over here I also have some foundations, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and then I carry 5 different shades of that. And then moving on to my powders, I carry 3. I really like the Hourglass Translucent Veil. I also carry the Givenchy Prism Libre in 3 and 5, and I really like these because you can spray into my little metal trays, or you can spray it directly onto the brush, and it gives you that beautiful fine mist of powder. Moving on to this side is all of my blushes, but I carry 3 shades. I have Bliss, Hope, and Encourage. I also have 2 Makeup by Mario blushes. I have it in Desert Rose and Mellow Mauve. So this is Desert Rose and Mellow Mauve. And then some of my favorite blushes are from Cover FX, and I carry 4. These are so beautiful. This is Pink Dahlia. It's a beautiful, beautiful pink. And then also has like a highlight as well. Oh, and then in this little container, I have some MAC Cosmetic blushes. Also some Sculpting shades. I'll do this one. This is Peaches. Those are my blushes. In the back here I have just 2 Hourglass highlighters. So next we're moving on to my finishing powders. This is one of my favorite, all-time favorite ones to use for under the eyes. It's a Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder, but sadly these are discontinued. I also carry the Charlotte Tilbury as well in fair and medium. So these are also nice to set under the under eye. Very lightly, you don't need a lot. And then back here I like to use also the finishing powders as bronzer sometimes. So this one is in the number 5. And it is a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. And then in the back I have, again, Charlotte Tilbury that I sometimes use as a bronzer in tan. Then I also have it in deep. Moving on to eyes, I have a MAC paint pot. I have soft ochre and painterly in here, and sometimes I like to mix the two. In this case, I also have some gel eyeliner. I have it in Blackest Black as well as brown. I also carry Inglot Duraline in here. So next, I like to keep my cream eyeshadows in here. These are the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize, and I have them in 6 colors. So for eyeshadows, I have a mix in here. This first palette is Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. I just kind of took them out and put it in this little tiny case. This is such a beautiful color story. This one is the Natasha Denona Gold palette. Look at all those beautiful colors. The next one is also Natasha Denona. This is the Glam palette. Lastly, this is Natasha Denona Bronze palette. And then lastly, for eyeshadows, I have 2 of the Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palettes. So I have the Master Mattes. This is the original. It's a beautiful warm tone. I also have the Makeup by Mario Master Matte, the Neutrals. Again, such gorgeous colors. And then lastly, I also have 2 of the HD Skin all-in-one face palettes. So these come in handy when I need to mix and match. Moving on to up here, I like to carry some lip scrub brushes for exfoliation. So I put a little bit of the Kissu from TATCHA on here, and I hand it to my brides, and they like to, have them exfoliate their lips. Over here, I also have some correctors from MAC. These are the Prep and Prime. And then I also carry the NYX Thick It Stick It Brow Mascara. These are so great. I love these. Just quick and easy to fill in the brows. Then I carry one mascara, the Loreal Voluminous Original. I also have 3 different colors of liner. I carry a brown, a black, and then a cream, as well as a white from NYX. And lastly, I have a whole bunch of lip pencils. So I'll go through these really quick. I have 3 from e.l.f. I also have 3 of the lip cheat from Charlotte Tilbury, as well as some lip pencils from Makeup by Mario. I have 2 of those. Some more nudes up top from MORPHE. And that's my kit as it stands right now. So this video is kind of like my kind of like a time capsule, the final look at my 2025 bridal kit before it evolves into something completely different. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.